Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I am always searching the internet, trying to find the best work from home jobs available and bringing them straight to you. You have been loving the healthcare jobs, so today we have HCA Healthcare is hiring a medical insurance verifier to work from home. The pay ranges from $18.50 an hour all the way up to $25.90 an hour. And it says that estimate displayed represents the typical wage range of candidates hired, so they are actively paying these to their current employees. This position comes with a $2,500 sign-on bonus, and the position is full-time and also has the option to work from home. We love bonuses. So some of the benefits you will get working with HCA Healthcare is medical, dental, vision, and life insurance. You'll get paid time off, 401k with a match, academic assistance, employee discounts, legal benefits, and a lot more. So as an insurance verifier, you'll contribute to the company's mission, vision, and values by verifying insurance benefits, collecting patient information for scheduled surgery center patients. You'll be under the supervision of the CBO director of the business office manager, and you may be responsible for payment collection and reimbursement. So in this role, you will obtain insurance pre-certification, verification, and interview patients prior to surgery. You will verify patient eligibility, authorization, benefits, and claim information with the insurance companies. You'll be responsible for identifying patient accounts based on their insurance plan, whether it's PPO, HMO, managed care. You may need to contact the patients to provide updates on their benefits and how much the insurance company says that they'll be responsible for. So this may require some outbound phone calls to the insurance companies and to the patients. You will update the patient communications with the proper information, authorizations, all that, and you'll be responsible for contacting the patients and creating financial arrangements with them for the portion that they owe that their insurance does not cover. Qualifications for this position: it requires a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. They say 1 year of college courses in secretarial or administrative field is preferred, but not required. And they want 1 or more years working experience in a healthcare environment, performing clerical duties, business office functions, billing duties, so any kind of administrative work experience. All right, I just wanted to keep this one very sweet, short, and to the point. I thought with the $2,500 sign-on bonus plus the option to be paid up to $25.90 an hour, this was a very good entry-level healthcare position to get into. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss another job lead that is posted. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.